Make money selling affiliate products. Up to $8,000 in affiliated commissions. These easy money ideas can help you get easy money online. Are you wanting to know how to earn fast money and discover ways to find fast money making ideas? In this article, one will be teaching you how to make easy money. There are a lot of incorrect money making ideas out there. And because there are so many, I am going to reveal to you how to make money with affiliate products. Making money with affiliate products is a very simple way to make money online. Because you don't have the stress about your product that you are promoting. https://easyarticles.com/expert/jaden_done/580366. One reason I like selling affiliate products is because I do not have the hassle of preparing a specific project. Also, all I need to do is basically create traffic towards my website and put a banner up. And if I get a certain amount of views per day, several people may cater to click on that banner. And if they click on that banner, it will take them towards the website that I am being in affiliate with. And if they buy the product that I promoted, then I can either get 50% or 75% of the commission. I think that being in affiliate can make a lot more money than any other money-making ideas. Because some affiliate products can cost up to $200, and you will get 50% of that or maybe 75%. So I think that you need to pick a product that others would buy and promote their website onto yours. Then all you need to do is promote their website where visitors are able to see. Then, get lots of visitors per day. Once you have been getting several visitors per day, then you can promote more than one website at a time. This way you can have one expensive affiliate product and one not so expensive affiliate product. I would definitely suggest that you promote a specific product and push the sales in one product. Here are one simple method. Start now and make those commissions.